What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Before this video begins, make sure you like the video and consider subscribing. So, anyways, everyone, that's it. Enjoy the video. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video. Today we're on Discord. And today, I'm going to teach you all how to create a Discord server. Yes, it's pretty simple. And this is also a pretty simple video. I won't lie. But let's go to add a server now. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a server. We're going to name this whatever we want here. I'm just going to name it testing server. So if we name it that, as you can see, it'll automatically make an icon for us. Just got to wait. And here we can invite our friends. So I'm going to invite a few friends here. So mostly what you're going to want to do is you're going to want, if you want a permanent invite link, you're going to want to make this never expire. I don't really touch this very often, but if you can select a max number of uses, although I think you should just be able to type the amount in. Anyways, let's generate a new link. We'll copy this and we can invite some of our friends here. So I'll invite Artist Incognito here. So there we go. We've invited some friends. As you can see, we actually have a few tasks here. We can invite our friends, we can personalize our server, and we can send our first message. Now, as you guys can see, we have one text channel and one voice channel. We also have two categories. So typically what I like to do is I like to basically wipe everything off the face of this right here. So, except unless I've already created an invite link, because that invite link will go to this channel right here. So let's head straight there. We're going to edit the channel. We can call this channel Hello. Just simply hello. And there we go. We can add a voice channel. We can name this voice. And there we go. As you can see, you can just hop right into a voice chat like this one right here. And it's pretty good. Now, if you want to link your other servers to this as well, you can. You can actually take the invite link we had earlier, go into your announcements channel that you have in your main server. If you don't, that's fine. Just put in an advertising server if you want to advertise this. We can go into what's up here. That's the announcements channel for my Discord server. Oh, by the way, you guys should really join that. It's in the description. We have a ton of new members. Shout out to all of you. Oh boy. So we can just simply make an announcement and then we can paste this right down. So there we go. We can paste the link right down. We have it. So let's see how many people join. I'm not expecting too many people to join, but anyone who has the announcement rule can join if they want. So that's pretty good, but we can personalize this as well. So let's go to server settings. As you can see here, you can customize literally everything about your server. I'm going to just grab a picture. You can apply this. So there we go. Now if you want to add another channel, you just tap the plus sign up there and you can name the channel. So we can set up a special system messages channel like this right here. And how you apply this is you go to system right here. So you go to system messages channel and you click the channel you want. Pretty simple. But anyways, everyone, that just about ends it for today's video. Subscribe if you are new, and I hope to see everyone in the next one. Enjoy.